Welcome to Ample Blazer's video tutorial. In this video tutorial, we're going to show you how to find your wireless password. So your wireless network password. You wanted to know where it is and what it was if you can't remember it. Now, there is the original way to log into your router and find it within your router, but there is another way. And I'm going to show you the way. There are several ways, but I'm going to show you specifically a way using your command prompt to find the wireless password. Now, first thing that you need to do is go into search, type in CMD or command prompt, and you'll get something like this. And just click on it. You do not need to run it as admin. Now, something like this should come up for you. And then the command that you need to put in to find out the list of profiles, you need to put this netsh wlan show profiles. So all you need to do is copy that, and then you can Control V and press enter, and you will get a list of the profiles. Now, the next thing that you need to do, the next command is this one, the netsh wlan show profiles name equals, and then in the speech brackets you put in the network name. So this is the one that we're going to choose, and we're going to hit enter. Now it will give you a list of things, but if you come down here and it says key content, that is your Wi-Fi password right there, and that's all it is, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our video for anything like this. If you've got any ideas that you would like to get us to do videos for in regards to your IT queries, by all means send us an email to info@ampleblaze.com, and thank you for watching.